In today's video, let me show you the way that you check the Pandora listening history. If you want to take a look at all of the songs that you listen to inside of Pandora in today's video, let me exactly show you how it is done. Now inside of Pandora, you are able to look at your listening history, but only for a particular session. So for example, if you start playing songs and even if you switch songs inside of Pandora, all of the tracks will be now recorded. But as soon as you log out or close out a browser, all of the listening history or the session will expire. But if you are trying to look at the session history of the song that you played for a duration, you can just open up this player. And right here, if you hover over the picture, you can see the option called View Session History. This way is going to show you all of the songs or the tracks that you played inside of a particular session. This is the only thing that you can do inside of Pandora, and there's no option of viewing the entire listening history throughout your Pandora. So I do hope I clear things out in terms of viewing your listening history or taking a look at your listening history inside of Pandora. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.